Hyundai unveiled the fifth-generation Santa Fe last month, but only now has it released detailed specifications. The 2024 Santa Fe is set to be available for sale in the U.S. in the first half of the upcoming year, and will be officially introduced at the Los Angeles Auto Show. Hyundai is offering two powertrain options for the Santa Fe in North America. The turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine boasts 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, allowing the vehicle to accelerate to 62 miles per hour in just 8 seconds. There's also a turbocharged 1.6-liter hybrid option that delivers 177 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. This power is channeled through a 6-speed automatic transmission, taking 9.5 seconds to hit 62 miles per hour. Hyundai has adopted a unique design approach for the Santa Fe. The design process began with the enlarged tailgate area, followed by the exterior. The fifth-generation Santa Fe is more spacious than its predecessor, benefiting passengers with increased room. The 2024 Santa Fe has grown in size, with its length now at 190.2 inches, a wheelbase of 110.8 inches, a height of 67.7 inches, and a width of 74.8 inches. The legroom in the second row has increased by 1.4 inches in the gas model, while the hybrid sees an increase of 0.79 inches. The third row also benefits from the increased dimensions, offering more legroom and headroom. The vehicle offers 25.6 cubic feet of cargo space. Both rows of seats can be folded to maximize cargo capacity. One of the standout features inside the Santa Fe is Hyundai's panoramic curved display. This integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. The cabin also boasts features like dual wireless charging pads, a UVC sterilization tray, a rear occupant alert system, and various driving assistance systems. Hyundai has yet to announce the official price for the new generation Santa Fe. However, for reference, the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe started at $30,085 for the base model, with the top-tier calligraphy variant priced at $43,935. More specific details about the U.S.-bound model are expected to be revealed either at the official U.S. debut in Los Angeles later this year or closer to its on-sale date in 2024. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe promises to bring a blend of performance, design, and technology to the SUV market. With its new powertrain options, enhanced design, and a plethora of features, it is poised to be a strong contender in its segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.